Hello, my name is Anamaria Macarie, and I have experience in operations and supply chain for over 10 years. I've been dreaming of making this MBA for some years, but I've been given this opportunity now. The reason I wanted to do that is because I wanted to boost my opportunities in advancing in my career. But I've discovered that it's more than that. It's about creating a network of people that share the same belief with you, that want to grow, that want to learn. It's about meeting so many experienced people that are willing to share it with you. I've come to work in the first 3 modules so far with professors that are from very high standard schools in Europe. And I've come to learn in an environment that's so very different from what I have been used so far. I've come to apply some of the theories that have been provided for the first 3 modules, like for leadership and people management, and not just applying the theories, but also looking problems from a holistic perspective, having a more critical approach to everything that we do, putting that double loop learning into practice.